So I was looking for a skip in this engine. It seemed to me like it was skipping on one cylinder. So this morning I pulled off each one of the plug wires. I tried to have a camera set where you could watch me do that, but at some point I guess the camera, which was on a magnet, fell down in there, and I'm not sure if you got to see that. But this spark plug here, which is a new spark plug, if you look at the tip, you see how it's a little narrow pointed thing. I'm guessing that was burned off, because this is the old plug. It has a flat tip instead of that little funky pointed tip. Possibly, I don't know if that burned off or if they're made that way, but I'm going to put this old one in that same hole. I'll clean up the contact points here. We'll see if that makes the skip go away. Okay, so what's happening here is that cylinder, the one before the rear cylinder on the left side, and I don't know how, I don't know if Ford and Chevy measures their cylinder locations the same, but on a Chevrolet, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be cylinder number 5. That one is not firing. Now I changed the plug, still not firing. I changed the plug wire, still not firing. The next thing I'm going to do is pull a compression check on number 5, see what we get. So this gauge is showing 120 pounds of compression, which should be plenty. Should be plenty. So, I'm not sure. I might try one of the parts stores just see if I can get a hotter plug. Sometimes they make a plug that's a little hotter. And the plug I'm sticking back there is going to be a different plug, just because where it's got good compression, you know, it could be, what I did was I took out the plug I bought in the store and I put one in that was originally in the truck, but then the one I'm putting back in is also originally in the truck, but it looks pretty good. And you know what, just try a different plug in that hole, since I got to put one back in there anyway. See if it makes a difference. I know I got fire coming out of the distributor on that plug, because when I stick the plug on there, I can make the fire jump to the plug. So I know there is fire happening at the plug, and because I've run a different plug wire than it shouldn't be a problem with the plug wire. See what it sounds like. See if it sounds any different now. call Cutworm. Cutworm, Cutworm. I might need to call you, buddy. More to come.